Yo, I never fuck waiting, I never fuck drink. All my life being fuck fake. If I did, I'm a notch with him and let him eat my ass like a cupcake. Nigga, he just ate. I don't touch nobody but tape. Yeah, this set up for a punchline. Duct tape. What the fuck? Worry about trying